Alright guys, welcome. Y'all remember this van? I guess we calling this part 3, y'all. He been back since, guys. This is the one we put the used transmission in. Yep. Same freaking spot. Now, I don't know if y'all been following this, but yeah, you can see where it's been all resealed. Everything is resealed. Everything is it's a new reseal pan. Remember first, guys, we put the axle seal in there, and then we resealed this. It came back, and we resealed it again. So now it's back again to get a whole new pan. So I'm finna try a whole new side cover pan. All right. Now, so here's a used transmission. Actually, he just replaced it out of this van. So I'm gonna take the cover off of this transmission and put it on that one. This the one of the things the insurance adjuster want me to try, I guess, before he commit to another transmission. So let me get this pan off and we'll go from there, guys. All right, guys, we're back. Yes, following orders once again, guys. Thanks for staying with me. Okay, so basically I'm finna remove this transmission pan, and because, like I said earlier, the one I had for it got disposed of somehow, so I'm gonna have to take one off of here. It should fit. They both 62 TE transmissions. Okay, doesn't matter really what's going on inside. The case and the cover is basically the same on all 62 TE. So yeah, I'm gonna take the pan off of this old junk transmission right here and put it on this transmission. All right, so hey man, we're gonna just have to see what happens. All right, now y'all remember like how I got it off last time. I ended up using my real thin 1/4-inch ratchet with the 5/16 head on it to get those bolts. So from here I can just go in with my quick drill and make this thing faster. All right, let's get this off. Try to leave one on, even though it's been leaking. Still could be some residual fluid in there. Perfectly good seal I did last time. So like I say, guys, one or two things. Either it really is this pan, or the case has a stress crack in it. So I guess we'll find out. Let's get this off and get it replaced. All right, guys, so I got this one, I think, yes, pretty much off. All right. Somewhere in here, or either higher, probably. I mean, I'm gonna have to get rid of all this old fluid, but for now, let's get the pan I'm gonna put on here off the car. Remember, we're taking it off this 62 here. Okay, so hopefully this is per the insurance company. Try a different pan, or try another pan, whatever the word that means. So let's get this off. All right, so I got all the bolts off, got it pried off, and here you go. So what I'm gonna do, guys, clean this all up, clean off all the old fluid or old RTV, get a new fresh tube of RTV, clean off the old RTV off the transmission, and go back on with it. Now I'm gonna use it called transmission fluid. The transmission fluid, transmission RTV it calls for is what I'm gonna use. All right, so let me clean this up, guys, and get to work. All right, guys, I want to go over some with y'all, what I just noticed or what I just realized. This is the pan that come off the van in question. You see this dent right here? Yes, this pan is most certainly bent. Okay, and the best way, or the only way I was able to notice that is when I got ready to install it. Okay, watch this. Okay, I'm on there. Trying to look, as you can see, I'm pressed all the way up against it. See all that slack? All right, so the pan is bent. I can't even set the pan flush on. It's like it's hitting on this this little shield right here. Now, which begs the question, how was it on the van? Let's go take a look. Okay, this one is broken. Yeah, you can see that's bent in. Now this was set flush on this transmission. Y'all hear that? I am flush. Okay, this was hit right here. Again, was it in the accident? We don't know. But I know that this old pan will not. Man, this is. Let me see something. Yes, that's broken. See if I can get this out of here in one piece. It got a little funky little tab on them that won't let them. Yeah, that's bent. So basically, it was like this. This is how it sits in the car. Alright, so with this being bent inward, you just merely, yeah, broke that. Let me take this over here on the table. Okay, this is the pan I'm going back on with, so let me move this out the way. This is how this was on the car. Okay, this pan got, yeah, if it was hit right here, that would answer the question why this is bent inward. Because the one on the car is not bent inward. And this pan will not set flush on the transmission that we replaced. So that might very well be a good call, guys, because that pan is surely bent. So I'm gonna go in with this one. Wow, you gotta be careful with this stuff, man. These numbers mean something. Okay, like I say, case of a 62 TE is pretty much the same from minivan to minivan. It's just bent. I think I'm gonna go in with the this off the old one too, guys. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna clean this up, put in this, reseal it. I think we're gonna be fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna film this part because I gotta rush now. I'm at this point. Razor blade all this off, grind this off, put on new RTV, use the same shield off of that one on this van, and clean it up and test drive and see what happens, guys. I got more work to do. Let's get with it. All right, guys, as you can see, I got it nice sealed, RTV all even out and everything, getting ready to go back in with it. I got the trans clean off as good as possible. So what I'm gonna do is install this. I can go ahead and do the rest of this off camera. That little thing is missing. So by the time you see me again, we'll be test driving this thing because I'm gonna clean it all off camera. We're gonna test drive it, then bring it back in and recheck it, guys. That's where you should handle that. All right, so stay with me, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Alrighty, guys, I have cleaned it off as you saw with the brake cleaner. So I got that whole area clean. So what I'm about to do now is go on a test drive, which I highly recommend. Alright, because basically what you want to do is drive it, put it on the low, put the transmission on the low. After you topped it off and got it full to recommended specs, okay, always feel properly, guys. You know, transmission field relating to temperature, okay, but so get the transmission filled up, and what I'm about to do, guys, is get on the road, as you can see. So I don't want to record and drive. So when I get back, I will be in the shop, guys. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right, guys, so guys, I am back off the test drive. So now the next step is to let it up in the air and then find out if there's still a leak in the same area. Okay, so let's get it. All right, guys, let's see. Here we go. And ding, 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 ding. There's no leak, guys. So that just about did it. So that pan had a stretch crack in it. Probably was up here where it got hit at. So that's what was causing that leak. So you don't see no red down here anymore. Well, I cleaned it off with brake cleaner. And so that's what it was. This is a side transfer gear pan cover. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.